How's it going, everyone? Let's do some checking on the apple maze. So we got the second box on here. We're going to see where they are at and how they are doing. They have ate all of the sugar cake that we placed on them this winter. Let me see what they are doing. So we have not fed these. They have nectar coming in. If you guys can see that glistening in here, this is all full of nectar. This is capped honey right here. So they have some sources. There's some pear trees out here and wild cherry. Season's getting kicked off. It's really cool. Busy time of year. We got a nice little patch of young larvae right here. Some pollen right here. And nectar. Looking good. Beautiful brood. So you guys see this, the darker color right here. This is an older brood, and then this is the younger brood that is capped. She has eggs all throughout here. They're definitely up here. Look at that, just beautiful. They're filling it up nice. Oh yeah, beautiful white larvae. Good brood right here. She has eggs in here. She's getting ready to, she's laying full sheets of brood. Just check that out, just beautiful. Lots of hatching brood right here. She's backfilling. This queen is doing a spectacular job. Healthy hive, lots of pollen coming in here. There's nectar coming in. Look at that. Nice brood. This is all drone brood right here. Very nice. I like to see it. Look at that again. This whole frame is just drone brood, just full of larvae, eggs, capped drone brood. Looking nice. This side right here, we got capped brood. So we got capped brood right here. The white is larvae. All down in here, that's hatching. She's already filled this all up with eggs. This queen is doing a spectacular job. They're starting to draw these corners out right here already. They will have that finished off really quickly. There we go. So they had those frames stuck down in there. Together makes it a little pain. Now we got them excited. This is why we encourage to wear suits. You know, we large colonies. They got nectar down here, pollen coming in. Yeah, lots of good stores. So what we're going to do is we're going to transfer those brood frames down here. We're going to one of our yards that we collect pollen on. I mean, just beautiful pollen right here that's coming in. All right here, just solid. We're going to leave this one down here. Because we're going to put the brood frame, we're going to put it up against this wall. Beautiful pollen. Here's some more brood right here with some pollen. They got nectar coming down in here. She's laying all through here. Very nice looking. patch of brood right there. A little more drone, or a little more brood patch on there, so she's laying in both. She's utilizing everything. There's nothing on here. What we're doing is we're shaking the bees off a little bit. Hopefully we can get the queen down in here. What we have done is we've shaken all the bees off into this box. We're going to put our queen excluder on there. The queen should be down in here. We have a pollen frame right here. All this is all brood right here. These are kind of low on brood. These are pretty good heavy brood. This is a drone brood, and this is a food frame. We're going to just stick the queen excluder on here, and we're going to put that top box back on here, and we're going to put the rest of the honey frames up above them so that they can start getting their brood nests ready and how we like to run them. And this is for if we have any drones up here that they can escape, because they can't go down through the excluder and go out. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fill it up. We're going to leave the empty ones closer to the middle is what I like to do. The full one's kind of on the outside. We're drawing this one out, so we're going to put that one right down here. These are heavy, full. We want to be careful a little bit about robbing, keep that in mind. But they do have natural forage coming in. Just solid food up here. She has eggs. This is going to be a drone frame. Just lots of drones fixing to come on. Excellent. There she is. You're right there. Beauty of a queen. We know where she is. Put them on the lid so she don't drop. Let's make sure she's still on here. Or she might have went down. Let's give a glance over again. Yep, she's right there. Pretty queen. Put her right here. We're going to take some of these frames out. We're keeping an eye on her. We're going to do the same thing. So this drone frame is going to be moved right back down here. She'll stay with her brood. We'll put these up there. Drop some of that brood frames down. We don't need to shake them. We know where the queen is. She's on there. Beautiful pollen. We're going to keep that one here. So what we have down here on this one is we have the drone here, an empty one here. These are brood and empty. The pollen and the nectar right there. Down here, or on top, is all their food. This one they're going to finish drawing out this side. We're going to put it face in the middle right here for them. This one is pretty much all food set up on them. We don't have the excluder out here. I'm going to have to bring one out for the half of me. I don't have any with me. But we'll put that back on. we're going to open this one up as well. Clean these up. There we go. So what we are doing is we're just rotating everything. It's nice. These apimates I don't have a problem with doing it a little early. If we catch a freeze or anything like that, it's not going to really bother them. Maybe in the wood hives, you might not want to do it early yet. That will just be depending on you and your area. If you're going to get a late freeze or anything, it's better because the heat rises. It's better to keep the brood up around the heat area. This one right here looks like food in here. That one wasn't drawn. They'll get this one going. A little bit of food. Not much in here. She's probably up here laying in it, I would imagine. There's some drones. She got eggs in here. Drone larvae right here. You can crack these open and check for mites. Kind of got to do it quickly. The mites, if we're not seeing any in these, you know, healthy looking drone brood, that's good. Brood larvae, look at that white larvae, just excellent quality. Being fed really well. These queens are good. So right here, you guys can tell, so this is darker, this is lighter. So this darker one is eggs that she laid earlier, and this is so this brood is going to hatch a little earlier than this one is. And then you can see the nice white larvae, all stages, all sizes in here. So she is taking advantage right there again. Very nice. The lid fits just fine on there, just like this. On these wooden boxes, I need to put the cleat handle on here. We stopped putting the cleat handle up here so that the lid would fall flat. We used to put them right here, but now we're going to put them down here a little lower so that the wood will stay down here. So that will be good. All right, well, there we go. That's how some of the apimate hives are looking at right now, coming out of the winter. Very pleased with the majority of the hives. Very strong, you know, good nutrition, and you know, genetics, local, you know, we're doing pretty good. It's we're pleased with them. So we will be back out and we're going to show you how we set these up for splits. We will be taking a split here very shortly, maybe next weekend. I'm going to play with or see what the weather is like, but we will be rearranging these for our splits coming up and getting them going. But these hives are looking very well. All three of them are. Very pleased with them. We hope your bees are doing good out there. We appreciate you guys for subscribing, following along. There's going to be more to come, I promise. We're getting yards squared away to get our layings hive going, our top bar hive, the War A hives, all the different hives. You know, we're talking with I sent a thing to Apimate to see if they wanted to donate a hive to put out there. We use them though, but it'd be nice if we could get it out there. We're letting everybody donate hives that they have, and we're going to see. I reached out to Flow Hive and seeing if they will do it too. So we're looking forward to getting that yard set up, but showing you guys some different hives that a lot of beekeepers just don't do, and showing you how we get them going. We got packages coming in for them as well, so they will be here shortly. We'll get that yard set up though. All right, well, I hope you guys, everybody's doing good out there. Bees are doing great. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one, guys. See ya.